Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn to use ChatGPT and Blookit to create an educational game without typing anything at all. Everything will be done automatically for us. Steps given in this video tutorial can be used on both Mac and Windows computer with minor differences. I will explain wherever the steps are different for Windows and Mac platform. You will need a web browser, a Gmail account, a Blookit account and a text editor to follow this tutorial. Windows users can use Notepad and Mac users can use TextEdit application as the text editor. Both text editors come pre-installed with the operating systems. In the first step, we will make some questions by using ChatGPT. Open your web browser and type www.openai.com. Now click on Try link at the top of this web page. In the ChatGPT web page, type your search topic followed by in CSV format. For example, make 20 multiple choice questions based on HTML and CSS in CSV format. Adding CSV format at the end of your search sentence is very important. And now press Enter key. Let ChatGPT make questions for you. Select the questions generated by ChatGPT, click the right mouse button and click on Copy. Open TextEdit on Mac or Notepad on Windows. Make a new file and paste the text we just copied from ChatGPT website. For Mac users, click on the Format menu and click on Make Plain Text. CSV after the file name is very important. Open gmail.com. Log in to your Gmail account. Open Google Sheets and create a new Google Sheet. Questions or answers in this Google Sheet. Your sheet should have following columns. Questions in column A, 4 options in column B, C, D, E and correct answer in column F. As you can see, all the correct answers are in option A. Let's go back to ChatGPT to randomize the option number for correct answers. we follow the same steps to transfer this data into a Google Sheet. Change the correct option from alphabets to numbers. 1 for A, 2 for B, 3 for C and 4 for D. Doing this is necessary because Blookit needs correct answers in numerical format. Remove any unnecessary columns or data from the Google Sheet. We are now ready with the data to start creating the Blookit game. Open www.blooket.com. Log in to your Blookit account. Click on the Create button, give the title of your Blookit. Select CSV import in the Creation Method section. Click on Create button. Click on the copy link in Import window. A new window should automatically open. Click on Make a Copy button. You should have the Blookit template open on your screen. Copy the questions from the Google Sheet that we created in previous step and paste into the Blookit template. Shift the correct answers into correct answers column. Type the time limit in seconds for each question in column G. Click on File and click on Download and select comma-separated values. Now in the Create Blookit window, click on Upload CSV. Select the template file that we downloaded as CSV from the Google Sheet in previous step. All the questions from the CSV template have been imported into the Blookit. Click on Save Set button to save the Blookit. Now your Blookit game is ready to be used.